She's all right. Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to get a quick video of Carmen's babies for you. I put collars on most of the black ones so we could tell them all apart because they're hard to tell apart. So I'll go through those real quick. Cassie's in white. Connie does not have a collar on. She's the only black puppy that doesn't have a collar. And she's
behind me.
She is sneaking under the couch back there. Can you get her out so we can see her? Chris has a blue collar on. Charlie has an orange collar. And Cooper has a green collar. So that's all of the black puppies so we can tell them all apart there. And then we have Caleb here. He's chewing on his brother's collar. And Curtis. And then Miss Kara. And Connor sitting in the back there. And Ella, who is our house dog and is trying to play with the babies. She loves the babies. These guys still kind of have sea legs. There's a little wobbly, not running around yet, but super cute. So it's always nice to get a video of these cuties. Hi, Miss Kara. Cute babies. Miss Cassie. Connor's slipping behind you, buddy, so be careful, don't sit down.
Oh. Is it these little guys?
We're all trying to curl up in the corner and go back to sleep over here.
We want to go to
Hi, Miss Connie. You're the lucky one that didn't get a collar. Hi, sweet girl.
They all want to sleep behind me. Hey, Connor. Pretty white coat for Connor.
These two boys over here are the biggest two right now. Hey, little miss. You gonna explore? Huh? Are you exploring? Yeah. Keep trying to crawl in your lap, huh?
Yeah. They sure do like to try.
Mm-hmm.
Is this thing stepping on right now?
I think it's a stick that Ella brought inside.
Oh boy.
Miss Kara. Hi, sweet girly. And Cassie's gonna bite her ear. Thank you, girl. Hello, sweet pea. Hey, Bubba. It's Mr. Chris.
Oh, we've got a little moaner.
Mr. Charlie is curling up in the corner over here, too. Oh, big yawn. Where'd our Mr. Cooper go? There he is. There's Cooper.
Over here.
We'll probably won't be able to keep up with them in a video next week. They'll be running everywhere. They're still a little slow at almost 5 weeks old. We're giving kisses.
But Ella likes that.
Mm-hmm. Hey, buddy. You just want some love, huh? Yeah. And our little couch potatoes over here. These two really just sleep a lot.
Yeah.
They like their naps. And their buddy Chris there. Or Charlie, sorry. That's Charlie.
Chris is blue.
I know, Chris is blue. Oh, there's Connor.
Connor.
He's gonna join in the nap fun.
Connor's the other napper. Oh, trying to get that collar.
Yeah. Pretty silly puppies. Probably gonna discover the couch. Climb under it over there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go love on Ella. Ella. Hey. Ella. She really wants those puppies to play with her. Ella. Hey. Get your turkey.
Don't get the puppies, get the turkey.
Get the turkey, not the puppies. All right. Little Kara wants you to pet her, I think.
Which one is
The
Carol?
little apricot girl next to your shoulder. Be on the other side.
This one?
Yeah. She keeps sniffing you. She says, give me some lovin'.
I sure will. Hello.
She's a sweetie.
She sure is.
They're all pretty sweet puppies.
Yeah. They want all the attention.
They do, but they don't do a whole lot of whining, which is good. They're pretty content little guys.
They are.
Hey, buddy. You're finally awake. At least for a minute. Oh, this big yawn. Pretty cute. You just want to be in a lap too, huh? Yeah? Well, that's all Carmen's babies. They're doing great. And we started giving them some mushy food in the morning with Mama, and next week we'll actually start working on weaning these guys. And that'll take at least a week to wean these guys, and then they'll be on solid foods. They've all got little nubby teeth right now. Hey, bud. All right. Thanks for watching your pups, everyone. We'll get some pictures of them in a few days for you. Hope you have a great weekend.